Hello and welcome back to another Q&A. This one is about knuckles. My knuckles do not seem to be getting any lighter. In fact, they seem to be getting darker. What am I doing wrong? So first off, I don't know what product you're using, but it just sounds like you may be over exfoliating. If you are scrubbing, exfoliating your knuckles, which are actually kind of tender, multiple times a week, that could honestly be too much for you. And I also don't know what products you're using, but the best thing I found for knuckles is to basically just be patient with them. I know a lot of people like to add like their lightening lotion and then like saran wrap them and have that on for maybe an hour or a couple of hours. You really should only be physically exfoliating them maybe once a week. It's really not necessary. If you notice that they're getting like raw or rough or flaky, that's not a good sign, and you could basically be giving yourself hyperpigmentation. So for knuckles, if you want to get really serious about it, SHC glutathione, they have like a knuckle kit. It comes with a physical like exfoliant, and then it also comes with like their serum, which is basically made in like a light and air-proof container. So like air can't get into it and basically inactivate some of the ingredients, and light can't do the same. Which is really important because some of these ingredients, they only stay active for a couple of weeks after you open them, and then once the air and the light touch them, you don't feel the tingle anymore and you're not seeing as quick of results, but you continue using them. So anywho, that's why I really like that product that they have. But also you could just basically use that for any of like the lightening, like for vitamin C, that's one of the ones that it needs to be in a light proof and air proof container. I noticed with like kojic acid, obviously it's okay if it's out in the air, like the air touching it isn't going to deactivate it, but there are some bars that at first are like they work great, and then others, the more you get into it, like the less it helps. So if you are one of those people, then definitely go to my Patreon, because I have like DIY kojic acid lotions and serums to where you can just make your own and you don't have to worry about that anymore. Because me personally, some of the kojic acid soaps, like I'm just really skeptical of them because I've had that happen so many times, and it's like I'm getting such great results when I first get it, and then like a couple weeks into it, I'm not seeing any change. Because kojic acid soap is like, that's another one that's great for like dark knees, dark elbows, dark knuckles, stuff like that. Though you have to be careful with your knuckles, like you definitely can't overuse it. But yeah, definitely check out that. But it sounds like you may be over exfoliating it and you're just damaging your skin barrier, and so I would give them just a little break, let them heal up. Use maybe something that's very moisturizing, maybe like a healing balm for your hands, and just give them a little bit of break, and then maybe go in with a different set of products that you haven't used yet, and then just come back and see how that works, because over exfoliating can definitely set you back. It's so frustrating. It's so frustrating. I've done it too. And it takes forever to lighten up that new hyperpigmentation too. So just take a little break for a couple of weeks and then go in there again, and definitely use the saran wrap idea, like with ever like lightening serum that you have, whether it's like a homemade one or one that you order online, because that really does help. Knuckles are an area where, because it is a joint, it's hard for the product to kind of like stay on and to basically be in every crevice and lighten it equally. So the saran wrap really helps it to kind of just like stay moist and to make sure that the product isn't smudging off. Okay, and then yeah, check out Patreon. I post new videos like every other day on there. There's a lot of like weight loss stuff in there too, so it's not just like skin lightening, it's also weight loss. I talk about products that actually help you like contain your hunger. I talk about different meal plans. There's tons of meal plans on there, guys, if you're interested in that. How to lose weight, how to keep your muscle, how to calculate how much protein, carbs, fat, calories you're supposed to be eating for like your body type, like all that's on there. So there's tons of information. Go check that out and let me know if you guys have any other questions, so then I can do another Q&A video.